You are now watching Bites and Bud. Welcome to the channel. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Chris. This is Bikes and Bud. And if you've been here before, you already know that. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope I catch your attention enough that you become a regular. So if you're new to the channel, basically what I do is I review cannabis related products, whether it's vape pens, actual cannabis, pre-rolls, distillates, any sort of concentrates. I test them out. I get stoned for you guys. I tell you what I think. And that basically is this channel in a nutshell. Stay tuned tonight at 12 a.m. Eastern. I have a live stream coming, which is where I do a lot of my really red-eyed stuff. Also, what do we have today? I don't even know what we're doing today for this video. I just wanted to make something short so I could come on and see you guys before the live tonight. We got one goodie box here. We got some weed in it. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these suckers. I got some of these, but they're only 50 milligrams, so it might be nice if you're out on a hike or something and you're going to be all day and you had a pack of them. Let us see what is in here. There's nothing I haven't really tried. I got an open pack of Do-si-do. Suppose I could probably burn one of them for you. Or would you rather see a bucket? Decisions. These are obviously first world problems, right? Like, don't know what to smoke because there's just an abundance. Actually, not only do I smoke, I also grow. I'm about to be starting some seeds. Maybe next video I'll do a video of some of my old grow ops so you can kind of have an idea of the kind of stuff that I do grow. Now, this is pretty badass. I have a tent for growing. I also have a 10-speed inline AC infinity fan, which is right here, and its duct goes up to the window. Up here is my power. Whoops. Turn up. Well, this is not working for me. Oh, there we go. No? There we go. I'd see shit. But it turns it up on 9. It really can go down to about 5. This is mainly for temperature and humidity control. I do not have the temperature reader up right now just because that's not what I'm using it for. So, open up my window, crush this in here. It's not foolproof, but you get the idea. Let's just see. So you can see it's got, oh, sorry. You can see it does have some suction to it. So let's close my door. And light up this Do-si-do. Another thing, again, these are Six Nation Cannabis Commissioned, 19 plus. Please recycle. This brand is an indica. And it's Do D Delta 9 distillate infused cannabis pre-rolls, 10 by 0.7 grams of a total of 7 grams net weight. Here's a little bit of a close-up to the box. Let's see if I can... There we go. That's a little bit better. They're pretty cool boxes. Drizzle Factory. They don't quite go as far as Gas Gang, but not everybody has to be the same. So this is impressive. Watch this. See, I have my fan. Can you see that? The only smoke that comes out is when I raise it. It didn't stay lit very well. So, the owner of High Spirit is going to be back soon, full of stock. And hopefully, as I've said time and time again, it's not just talk, and I will be going back out to Ontario, hopefully flying this time, and doing something with Fucked Up. I'm not sure what I will be, but by the sounds of it, he does want me to be a part of the business. And maybe that's just talk, maybe that's just rumor, but we will see. I've heard Mike is a man of his word, though I haven't spoken to him myself. I have heard Christine say that he does want me around, so. Feels a little bit different when I don't have the communication from the comments in the live stream here. I feel like I'm just talking to myself. It's almost a little awkward. So, what's everybody up to on this March or spring break anyways? We haven't really got up to too much, but that's a lot of because we've been trying to help out our friends at the dispensary just because they've been going through a lot of shit. But we've been taking it pretty easy, to say the least. I don't even have anything new to fucking show you guys that's cool or nothing. I don't know if I've shown any of my current subscribers. This is one of my hobbies. This is made out of 2x2 pine. I carved this little sumbitch. It's just something relaxing that keeps my mind busy, keeps my hands busy. Here's a little Among Us character I made. I never finished it. As I was honing my skills, I made a Ninja Turtle for my cousin, and about a year later, I tried to recreate it with a little more detail. I never finished it, but this is as far as I've gotten so far. It's got a lot more work to go, but it's going to be Raphael because he's the best one, obviously. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of places I can shave down and make the muscles smaller and use some V tools to kind of get a little more depth and stuff in there. And like Raph has some scratches here, and he has some gouges on his shell. It's a far from done piece. I'm just scared to go back at it because I don't want to ruin it. I think that's all I have right here that I've made right off the get-go, to be honest with you guys. I give so much of my carvings away. I make spoons, which I don't think I have up here either. I make bowls. Little bowls. Stuff like that. I can make ashtrays if people request them. I do wood burning if that's something that you're interested in. I do a lot of wood burning. I make walking sticks. Just for example, my kids are really into Minecraft, so I had to do a couple of these up. This is a wood burn. The character is Alex, so you have Alex there, then you have the name, and in the background you have a diamond sword. And on this one, another one, that's just Alex there with the diamond sword a little bit lower, and we have Minecraft burnt in up top. Little things like that. These can all be customized. This is one I have been fucking around with and never actually got around to doing. It was going to be for Christmas. Mind you, this is just rough. It will come out better after it's burned. Those of you that don't know, that is Baby Yoda or Grogu. And it was going to say Grogu Claws because I thought that was cute and that might sell or pique some interest or even just garner some orders for some more products. We are out again. I also had what was my favorite wood burn that I've done. It's a Christmas one, and it says ho ho ho, and on the bottom of it I have a Squirtle, Charmander, and Pikachu burnt in, and it's all been painted, and I don't know for the life of me what my wife done with it. If I can find it, I will show it on tonight's live stream. Talking too much, not smoking enough. Problem with having a fucking mustache like this. I don't want no fucking roach lips, burnt mustache, looking like some crackhead motherfucker. Just a little bit more. There we go. Little fuel for me mule, little gas for me ass. Yeah, nothing else homemade in here that I can really show you. That's it for now, guys. I'm Chris. This has been Bikes and Bud once again. Don't forget to tune in at 12 o'clock tonight to have some fun with me. Invite some friends, and we're going to have a time. Bring your favorite smoke. We'll all get stoned together and have a chat and a laugh and listen to some good old Nova Scotia music. So I hope to see you guys there. Let's keep getting those live stream counts up because they're looking pretty good. I appreciate you guys. I love y'all. Stay crispy. Till next time, keep two wheels down.
You are now watching Bikes and Bud. Welcome to the channel.